hope you have a wonderful and productive day today. Determining the source of your learning of English is very crucial to the trajectory of your learning process, especially if that implies improvement steadily over the course of time that you spend learning English. The secret tip of your improvement of English is highly dependable on multiple variables and factors, one of which is the person's preference, his background, his social relevance. And by that we mean the importance of language he is learning to his social necessities. If language he is learning has no connection or relation to the social relevance and realm, the whole purpose of language learning will be defeated. Therefore, it is very important to match and cross the needs that you have with the kind of vision for what you want to learn English for. Some people want to learn English for travel. Some people want to learn English because they love to watch Netflix TV series without a subtitle or without Ali Talal. The idea of learning English is highly connected to the purpose and vision that you have. Learning English is very important nowadays because it can unlock so many doors of opportunities for you, especially at the career level and the profession. It can help you become a translator. It can help you write and edit papers. It can help you find an online job that can be of a side hustle to you. The second secret tip of learning English is the diversity of sources of your learning. You need to make sure that you are not highly dependable on one source, because learning languages is like having the mechanical and nutritious elements of nature to help your body sustain its living. And by that I mean you need to match 50% of mechanical training, where you train your potentially language productive organs like the vocal cords, the mouth, to produce the sounds exactly how native speakers produce them. Some of the major sources of language learning, in my personal experience, are podcasts in English, British Council website, textbooks, social TV series, drama TV series, because the kind of language that is written in these kind of series is very easy to learn and very common. Vocabulary. YouTube channels can be an asset for so many people who are not able to afford paying very high price for the language training institutes, such as the American University or private institutes in the country or in Middle East, or private tutors where they may rip off so much amount of money from people to help them get the training. I know it can be very highly qualitatively beneficial to them, but let's be honest, not everybody can afford paying that amount of money to get a private training course. There are certain websites that I highly recommend where you can subscribe for free and get training. But in my personal records and opinion, the best institute to learn English from is YouTube Institute. It offers so many beneficial courses in addition to the apps that are available in App Store and Google Play. These can be diversified, where you can say 25% to the apps, 25% to the private tutor if you can afford him or her, and 25% to YouTube, 25% to your textbooks that you are favoring to read. Building this kind of formula will be the key factor to your success that will eventually help you take the next step in your language learning process. And one of the catalysts in your learning journey is your vision, where you match yourself now with what kind of goals and targets you have in the future. That will help you so much improve your English and be a very professional English speaker. I'm not advocating for the fact that we can be perfect speakers. We are not going to be like native speakers, but we can be very professional speakers of English where we can amass a huge amount of vocabulary that are interchanged on the landscape of academies, universities, colleges, and being able to convey the kind of message that you have in mind. Not only do you have to work hard to achieve that goal, but you have to divide and conquer the ratios so you can become a better English speaker. Have a wonderful day. مدرب اللغة وليد خالد.